All right, everybody, welcome back. You already know that in today's world, personalized marketing,
Right.
it's absolutely key, right?
Really is.
For any business to thrive.
Yeah.
And, our star of the show today, it's Marketo.
It's a big one.
It really is. And in this deep dive, we're going to explore, how powerful this platform is
Right.
for both creating those really personalized experiences,
Absolutely.
but also how we can actually use it to optimize our entire marketing operation.
Yeah. It's not just about sending the right message. It's about sending it efficiently.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And, no matter where you are on the Marketo spectrum, whether you're just starting out or you're already a seasoned pro,
Yeah.
this deep dive is going to offer some, really valuable insights
I think there's something in here for everyone.
for sure. So let's just dive right in.
Right.
When we were looking at all of our sources for this one,
Right.
it really seemed like there were three core pillars of Marketo's, personalization power: behavioral segmentation,
Okay.
dynamic content, and predictive analytics.
The big three.
Exactly.
Mhm.
And what's fascinating to me about these is it's like they're not just buzzwords.
Yeah. You hear these terms thrown around a lot,
All the time.
but Marketo actually puts them into practice in a way that's really impressive.
Yeah. So let's break those down
One
one
thing.
by one.
Sounds good.
Let's start with behavioral segmentation.
All right, so behavioral segmentation, this is really about going beyond those, basic demographics like
Right.
age and location.
Right.
It's about really understanding how are people actually interacting with your brand.
So like, what does that actually look like, in practice?
So think about it this way. What pages are people visiting on your website?
How?
What content are they downloading? Are they clicking on your emails?
Right.
It's about getting that granular level of detail
Right.
so you can segment your audience based on their actual interests and their behaviors.
So it's not just about guessing what people want. It's about knowing.
Exactly. And that's where the real power comes in.
Okay. So then how does all of that translate into those actual personalized experiences that we've been talking about?
Okay, so imagine you're launching a new product line, and let's say it's aimed at environmentally conscious consumers.
Okay.
With behavioral segmentation, you can specifically target the individuals who have maybe previously engaged with your content on sustainability or purchased eco-friendly products in the past. You're not wasting your resources on people who just aren't interested,
Right.
and you're delivering a message that is highly relevant to the person receiving it.
So it's like that perfect match.
Exactly, and the data backs this up.
Oh, really?
Yeah, studies have shown that this kind of targeted messaging can actually boost your conversion rates by as much as 20%.
Wow, that's huge.
Yeah, it's a big difference.
All right, so then there's dynamic content.
Okay.
Now, that always sounded kind of like magic to me.
It does sound a little bit magical.
How does Marketo actually pull that off?
So it's actually pretty ingenious. So dynamic content allows you to personalize elements of your emails, your landing pages, even your website copy,
Uh-huh.
based on that individual lead's attributes.
So like what, instead of just a generic welcome to our newsletter message?
Exactly. So instead of that generic message, you can actually greet each subscriber by name.
Oh, wow.
And you can recommend articles or products based on their past behavior or their stated preferences.
So it's almost like having a personal shopper for your brand.
It really is. It's that level of personalization.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
All right, so now let's talk about predictive analytics.
Okay.
This is where things get really futuristic, right?
A little bit sci-fi.
We're talking about AI predicting customer behavior.
It's pretty cutting edge stuff.
So how does that work?
So Marketo's predictive analytics uses machine learning algorithms
Okay.
to analyze just massive amounts of data.
Mhm.
This could be everything from their past purchases to their website interactions.
Right.
And it uses that to anticipate what customers are likely to do next.
So give me an example.
Sure, let's say you're an e-commerce company.
Okay.
Marketo can actually analyze a customer's browsing history and their purchase patterns to recommend products they might be interested in
Wow.
before they even know they want them.
So it's like those, you might also like suggestions on Amazon?
Exactly, but it's for your entire marketing strategy.
That's incredible. Okay, so we've talked about all this amazing stuff that Marketo can do.
Yeah,
But let's be honest. Sometimes you need a little extra help
of course.
to maximize a platform this powerful, right?
Yeah, it can be overwhelming.
That's where their consulting services come in.
That's right.
So tell me about that.
Well, it's like having a team of experts in your corner guiding you through every step of the process.
So from setup.
From initial setup and integration all the way to ongoing optimization.
And they kind of tailor it to your specific needs.
Absolutely. They offer a range of services, so there's something for every budget and every level of expertise.
All right, so when we were looking at the research for this, it seemed like there were three main areas where consulting can really make a difference.
Mm,
Integration expertise, this
yes.
attribution and reporting, and automation workflows.
Those are the big ones.
Okay, so let's start with integration.
Okay.
Because, I mean, in today's world, we're all using so many different tools, right?
Oh, absolutely. You've got your CRM, maybe you're using Salesforce,
Right.
you've got analytics platforms, you've got social media tools,
Yeah.
and Marketo consultants can connect all of these systems seamlessly.
So you have like a unified view.
You get a unified view of all your customer data.
So no more data silos.
No more silos, no more disjointed campaigns. Everything works together.
Okay, I like that.
Yeah, and we've actually seen clients who, after implementing these integrations, they see like a 15% increase in their sales productivity just from having all their data in one place.
Wow. So streamlined data equals a streamlined sales process.
Exactly. It makes everyone's life easier.
Okay, cool. And then attribution and reporting, because that always feels like the holy grail of marketing.
It really is.
Being able to actually prove the ROI of your
Yeah,
efforts.
right, because you're not just doing things for fun. You want to see results.
Exactly. And that's where Marketo consultants really excel, right?
They do, so they can help you build these custom dashboards that track every single aspect of your campaigns.
So like from email open rates.
From open rates to website conversions to event registrations, it's all there.
So you can actually see what's working.
You see exactly which channels are driving the most valuable leads, which allows you to optimize your spending and prove the value of what you're doing.
Okay.
So we're talking about being able to generate reports that show that your latest social media campaign led to a 10% increase in qualified leads, for example.
That's the kind of data that gets everyone excited.
That's what we like to see.
All right, and finally, automation workflows.
Okay.
This sounds like a dream come true for any marketer who's ever felt bogged down by, all those repetitive tasks.
Oh, it's a game changer for sure.
So what does that look like?
So imagine this. A prospect downloads a white paper from your website. With Marketo, you can set up an automated workflow that sends them a series of personalized emails, nurturing that lead and guiding them further down the sales funnel.
And you don't have to do anything.
You set it and forget it. It all happens automatically.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it frees up so much time and energy.
So it seems like Marketo isn't just about personalization. It's about making your entire marketing operation more efficient.
It's about working smarter, not harder.
I like that so much.
And the results speak for themselves. You see increased engagement, higher conversion rates, and ultimately a stronger bottom line.
So to sum it all up, it sounds like Marketo provides the tools and the support you need to create these truly personalized customer journeys.
Yeah,
While simultaneously optimizing your entire marketing operation.
that's the goal.
That's the dream.
That's what we're all striving for.
Learning about all this has got me thinking.
Oh, yeah.
If you could pick just one area of your current marketing strategy to enhance with Marketo, what would it be?
That's a great question.
What do you think?
I'd have to say, for me, it would be the automation workflows.
Yeah.
I think the amount of time and energy that you can save by automating those repetitive tasks is just invaluable.
Yeah, it frees you up to focus on the bigger picture.
Exactly. And who doesn't want more time for strategy and creativity?
That's a great point. Well, that's something for all of you to ponder as we wrap up this deep dive into the world of personalized marketing with Marketo.
Thanks for joining us.
We'll see you next time.
See you later.